In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover 7 and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen. First of all, launch one of your apps that you wish to use on the top half of your screen. Then access it in the background. When you're ready, click on the icon of your app available at the top and select Open in Split Screen View from the list. Lastly, click on the second app. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!